Hey guys and girls, God bless you all. Welcome to Guerrilla Festival Survival Channel. God bless you all. Thank God for the grace. And today's short and sweet video is going to be all about the small VIPER Express utility pouch. Fantastic, cool little pouch. I've got two of them. Got the titanium one. If you've been following the titanium series, you would have seen this small little pouch here. Scroll down and check out the Going Titanium series, guys and girls. And today's video is also about the Black Diamond Storm. Okay, and basically what it is the combination of the torch, headlamps and the pouches. Okay, this particular one is going to be going into the Black VIPER Express utility pouch, small one. And in this one here I have already the Cosmos. If you've been following the videos on my headlamps, you'll see that I've also introduced the Cosmos, and you would have seen that in the pouch in the Going Titanium series. Okay, the Cosmos is 200 lumens, fantastic bit of kit. Check them out, guys. Got red, it's waterproof, IPX8, and it's got a locking mechanism, and it's got a good beam for 65 meters. The Storm, I'll show you that actually. Last time I opened this pouch on screen, everything fell out, all the batteries. Hopefully this time it won't. Just bear with me, guys. I'm just going to turn the music down a little touch. So yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's video is all about the VIPER small utility pouch and the Black Diamond Storm. Okay, so as I was saying, hopefully when I open it, there you go. This is the thing about these pouches, you just open them up really quick, and they call them rapid, and that's why. Okay, last time I actually was, for the purpose of the video, I untied that a little bit and I forgot that I should have opened it slowly. Okay, so basically anyway, I figured out another place to put the batteries, and I'll do that today. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, got the Cosmos here, 200 lumens, fantastic headlamp, and I've also got a couple of spare batteries in here for the small little backup light that I keep with my pouch, and that is the small, excuse me, it's on this side of the pouch. I've got these little pockets on this side. It has the little, this is a Princeton Tec, just in case, as it says on the package there. I've got two of them. A fantastic deal. I picked them up, believe it or not, for £2 each. Okay, it's got a normal light and a flashing. Okay, so they're called just in case. They do come with a little thing here, so you can put them on your existing headband. Okay, guys and girls, so there you have it. This is the first pouch, and this was in the titanium series, and really cool little pouches. Like I said, they do a small, a medium and a large in these. Okay, and they're MOLLE compatible. You can even put stuff on the side, and they're really cool. They've got a nice pull handle, very sturdy. And actually inside, what you could do, I suppose, you could put batteries individually in here. But because I live in England, London, you know, I want my stuff to be relatively waterproof, and if I just put them there, it'd be a bit risky. But anyway, I do keep a little baggie with the Cosmos inside and a couple of spare batteries in there. And then what I do is, that's why I keep these batteries for the little head emergency, just in case, like I just showed you, the little one of those. Okay, so what I've done, instead of putting these here, okay, instead of putting them there, I'm just going to put them behind the lamp. That works just as well, actually, and actually works a little bit better, because that way I don't have to muck about hoping that it ain't going to fall out the pocket. So there you are, guys. That's the small express utility pouch from VIPER, really good one. And what I've done, basically, I've got myself, I'm just going to put this on the side, guys. I don't want it to fall over. And actually I'm going to put I'll keep the packaging of the Storm there for a second. So there you have it, guys. I've got the black one as well. I really like the fact that you can just pull them down, grab whatever you want to use out of it, and it's you know, really practical, really quick, express pouches, really good to go. and as the same as I did with this one, I could just slot in the headlamp into this pocket, and also I can put some batteries in a case, the same as I did with this one right here. Alright guys and girls, so there you have it. I've got the black one as well now. Alright, let me just quickly zip him up and whack it there. Right guys, I'm going to move on now to the black diamond, which I recently got. I've had it for a few weeks now. I've been testing it out, and I'll tell you what, it's a really good solid piece of kit. If you're looking for a headlamp for multiple purposes, climbing, hunting, fishing, outdoor use, you know, you can't go wrong with a black diamond Storm. The black diamond Cosmos is fantastic, 200 lumens. This goes a bit further. It's got 350 lumens, and it's got some really fantastic features on there, which I'll show you now. It's got a really sturdy headlamp, headband. Okay, they usually do really good headbands, the black diamond, and it's got a little bit of padding here for your forehead. A lot of them sometimes don't come without padding, and basically this has got a nice little bit of padding right here. You can see that. Okay, so right onto the lamp itself, 350 lumens. Okay guys, let me just move that to the side and just grab the box as well and just show you a couple of the features on there. Okay, it's got 350 lumens, 4 lumens on the low, and that will give you 2 meters of throw on the 4 lumens. Burn time 250 hours on 4 lumens at 2 meter beam. Maximum 350 lumens, 85 meter beam, which is really good throw, and 40-hour burn time on 350 lumens, which is quite good actually. 350 lumens, you've got 40 hours. There's quite, and it's got a power tap as well. It's there. It just says it there. If you can see that, you just tap the headlamp on the side, and it actually just gives you. If you're just doing something close up, and you've got it on a low lumen setting, if you hear something in the distance, and you just quickly tap that on the side, and it gives you a boost of lumens. Okay, and okay guys, so you've got the power tap, you've got a dim switch, you've got the strobe function on there as well. Fantastic. It's got proximity lock. It's 62 grams plus 48 grams for the batteries, so it's a total of 110 grams. Okay, it's IP67, waterproof, dustproof. It does come with a 3-year warranty as well, which is fantastic. And I do use Duracell batteries. I do have rechargeable Duracell batteries as well, if need be. So yeah, guys, and it has, excuse me, it has blue light, green light, and a red light. Here we are. Here we go. Excuse me, guys. You have a red light, a green light, and a blue light, and it has a locking function as well. Okay, so if you want to keep it in the same mode, when you turn it off, it will lock in that mode. So like I was saying, it's got 85 meter throw, nice beam, power tap, so you just tap it on the side and that will give you a boost, and it's got a locking function as well. So yeah, there you go guys. So basically this is going to be going into that pouch there. So this is going to be for the titanium series bags, which I'm going to be doing a full disclosure, guys, soon. Very soon. Watch this space. I'm going to be doing the full disclosure. Okay, I'm going to do a revealing of everything that's in the kits all together, fully ready to go. You've seen the clothing. Okay, little things today came, just like the little waterproof jacket right there, which I'll show you, and the idea and the concept behind the Grey Man series, which was the Going Titanium series. Okay, Going Covert. Remember that one, that video, Going Covert? Okay, so that's the point of this little green anorak right here, guys. So watch this space. So coming back to this torch headlamp, I'm going to put it on now, guys, and show you some of the features on there. So it's on blue at the moment. What I'm going to be doing is, I just hold it down. There you go, it just goes to white. So if you just hold it down once and you turn the light on, you get the white. And if you just press and hold, you get the maximum. And then you get the dim switch as you hold it. Press and hold again. and it blinks when you get the full lumens on. And the same again, when you press it and hold, it'll dim it and it'll go down to the lowest lumens, and then it was flashing as well, just telling you that it's in the lowest. Okay, so right, if you press it 3 times, you get this amazing beam, yeah, amazing like strobe, fantastic safety feature. Okay, guys and girls, if you're out and about, I'll tell you what, they'll be seen from quite a distance. That's why I really do like these black diamond torches. Very practical. They've got some really cool features. Sorry about that, guys. The strobe light is really powerful. I won't shine it in your faces. But yeah, I really do like that feature. So that if you just turn it off now and hold it, you get the blue. Twice again, you get the red. Twice again, you get the green. And each of these do have the dimming function. So if I press and hold down again, this will go down to the lowest lumen, blink, telling me that it's got to the lowest lumen. And again, if I press and hold, it will go to the highest lumen, blink, and then that will tell me that it's ready to go. And the blue one is fantastic if you want to give someone a bit of a fright. Now, I'm not encouraging anyone to impersonate a police officer. Do not impersonate a police officer, okay? We have to be helpful in society and try and be as good as we can out there. I know that not everyone's, not all the policemen are corrupt. There are good policemen out there, I'm sure. God bless them all. They do a hard work job. I mean, you know, people sometimes are not the easiest to live with, guys. So anyway, going back to giving people a fright. So I'm going to leave that to your own imagination. You're in the wilderness. A gang come along. They're trying to start trouble and whatever. They haven't seen you. But what would happen if they saw this in the distance? Okay, I'll use your imagination, okay, guys? Now, like I said, don't impersonate a police officer, okay? God bless you all. Okay, be a real good citizen, make citizens arrest and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, it's got some fantastic features. It's got the blue, green, red, dim switch, strobe function, a dim function. It's got the white light as well, which is fantastic. 350 lumens. It doesn't weigh, you know, it's not too bad weight-wise. Let's just see the weight again. 110 grams all in with the batteries. So there you go, guys. I'm not going to make this video too long. So basically what I'm going to do in the meantime is, while you're there, is I'm going to do a bit of an opening. Basically going to cut across this while you're there, guys, watching. Right, so what I'm going to be doing is adding, yeah, dropping everything everywhere. Okay, guys, just bear with me a second. So here we go. We've got the little Princeton Tec just in case, and I'm going to be doing exactly the same thing what I've done with this pouch right here, which is I'm going to be putting this light in, wrapping it around the band itself, just whacking that straight inside here. Okay, guys and girls, God bless you all. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to like, share, subscribe, please do so. Just leave a note below if you want as well. Just leave any notes if you want. So there you have it, guys. It's in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the little Princeton Tec in there as well. The little backup. So basically I've got 2 of the same kits. But one is in black and one is in titanium. Okay, guys. 2 is one is none. Okay, just in case something happens to one of my kits, I've got a backup kit. Alright, guys and girls. So I'm going to leave that one open like that so you can see it. Alright, guys and girls. And I'm also just going to leave that one like that and end the video like that, guys and girls. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. And like I said, if you're going to get stuff, I mean, I don't spend my money on drinking and going out clubbing and following fashion and spending and buying expensive clothing. I put it into my bug out gear, my outdoor gear, things I enjoy doing, the outdoors, the woods, the seaside, the beach, the mountains. And I buy stuff that I believe that's going to be really practical and of good use. And like I said, the Black Diamond Storm is a fantastic headlamp. And also the Cosmos. Like I said, 2 is one is none. That's why I got 2. And great feature. What I'm going to actually do is open this again. Just show you the rapid response. And leave it something like that on the table, guys and girls. And what I'm going to do, just lift up the camera slightly, guys and girls. And then the video like that. I know it's been a little bit long, but I hope I haven't bored you. God bless you all, guys. Thanks for coming. Have a fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care for now. And it's all about the VIPER small utility pouch, express utility pouch, and the storm headlamp. Have a great day, guys. God bless you all. See you in the next video.